Hello students, welcome back to Sri Sai Adhan Online Tuitions. My name is P. Rajesh Ramarao, I am BSc BH. This is part C of the topic Compound Interest for class 9. Please do watch part A and B so that you can understand what we are doing in part C. At the end of part B, my dear students, I have told that how to calculate the compound interest. If the interest rate is different, if the interest rate differs, that is if the interest rate is changing for the first year as compared to the second year. For first year the interest rate is 10% and for the second year the interest rate is 12%. How shall we calculate it if it is given in this format? So for that we got the formula that is called different rates. What do we call? Here the different rates we got. A is equal to P of 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Now students, what is this R1, R2 and R3? R1, R2, R3 are the different rates. Three different rates are given for three successive years which comes one after the other. A is equal to P of 1 plus R1 by 100 of 1 plus R2 by 100 of 1 plus R3 by 100. Now the question given to you is calculate the amount of rupees 15,000 is lent at compound interest for 2 years. And the rates for the successive years are 8% and 10% respectively. So here you need to find out the amount of rupees 15,000. As I told you, write down the given. So principal P is equal to rupees 15,000. And how much is N? 2 years they said. And rate of successive years 8% and 10%. R1 will become 8% and R2 will become 10%. Am I clear? So what is the formula you got, students? A is equal to P of 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 is equal to P. Only 2 years they have given, first year and second year. P is 15,000 of 1 plus R1 is 8%. 8 by 100 of 1 plus R2 is 10%. 10 by 100. 15,000 into 100 plus 8 by 100. Took out the LCM, students. And here 100 plus 10 by 100. Yeah, we can cancel it. But hold a second, students. Make it simple. 15,000. 108 by 100 into 110 by 100. 15,000 into 108 by 100. 1.08 in the decimal form, same as here, 1.1. Please do multiply it. You will get the answer, rupees 17,820. What is this 17,820? What did they tell you to find out? The amount. Therefore, amount will be is equal to rupees 17,820. Am I clear, students? Next question is, what principal will amount to rupees 9,856 into 2 years if the rates of interest for successive years are 10% and 12% respectively? Here, students, amount is given, number of years is given, and the successive rates are given. What you need to find out? You need to find out the principal. So as it is the routine work, first given amount will be is equal to 9,856. Next n is equal to 2 years they said, and rate percentage R1 percentage is 10% and R2 percentage is 12%. What is the formula we got? A is equal to P of 1 plus R1 by 100 of 1 plus R2 by 100. A, how much is the amount? Amount is given, students, here 9,856. What principal will be? Principal you need to find it out. 1 plus R1, rate 1 first percentage. Rate percentage is 10 by 12. And rate 2 percentage is 1 plus 12 by 100. 9856 will be is equal to P of, this is 100, students. So 100 plus 10 by 100. 100 plus 12 by 100. I took out the LCM for both. 9856 will be P of 110 by 100. 112 by 100, students. Hold a second, do not cancel anything, students. 9856. 110 by 100, when it comes this side, it will become 100 by 110. 112 by 100. When transposed to the left hand side, the numerator becomes denominator. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Here, what is this? 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 50s are, 2 28s are, 2 25s are. So what is left, students? 9856 into 10 into 25 by 11 into 28 is equal to P. Now 28 ones are 28, 352s are. 28 ones are 28, 352s are gives 9856. Now 11 ones are 11, 32s are. So what is left, students? 32 into 10 into 25 is equal to P. 32 into 10 into 25 is equal to P. So therefore the principal is rupees 8,000. What principal will amount to rupees 9,856 for 2 years? If the interest rates are 10% and 12%, the principal is rupees 8,000. This is a way how do we use this formula of different rates, my dear students. Understood, students? Now the next question will be, the interest is calculated half yearly here. The interest is calculated half yearly, students. Find the compound interest on rupees 64,000 for 1.5 year at 5% per annum, and the interest being compounded half yearly. So given as it is our routine work, given what is given, find the compound interest on rupees 64,000. 64,000 will be the principal. The rate percentage is 5% per annum, and the time n is equal to 1 by 2 years. That is 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 years. the duration is. Am I clear, students? When it is compounded half yearly, the power n in the formula, it will become 2n. So 2n will be is equal to 2 of, what is n? 3 by 2. In the formula of the compound interest, when it is calculated half yearly, you can see the formula. The power is 2n. 2, what is n? 3 by 2 here. N is 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and the answer is 3. So here the term will become 3 years. So what is the formula for the amount? P of 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. How much is P? 64,000 of 1 plus rate percentage is 5 by 100 whole power n is 3 years. 64,000 into 100 plus 5 by 100 whole power 3. 64,000 into 100 plus 5 is 105 by 100 whole power 3. 64,000 into 105 by 100, that is 1.05 whole cube. 64,000 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05. Multiply that, students. You will get around 68,921. So what is this 68,921? Is the amount. Amount is 68,921. The question is to find the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. How much is amount? 68,921. And what is the principal? Principal is 64,000. Subtract it. 921. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the compound interest is rupees 4,921. Understood, students? Now, students, you can ask me the question, sir, why didn't you use the formula which we have studied earlier to find out the compound interest when it is compounded half yearly? What was the formula, students? A is equal to P of 1 plus R by 200 whole power 2n. Now we will solve the same sum with this formula, students. So here the same as it is. First we write the given principal. How much is the principal? 64,000. How much is the rate percentage? Is 5% per annum. And n is equal to 1.5 years. 1.5 years is 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 years. Now substitute here. Principal is 64,000 of 1 plus rate percentage is 5 by 200. 2 into what is n, student? 3 by 2. 64,000. Here write in the smallest terms. 5 ones are 5, 4s are 20, 40. So 1 plus 1 by 40. 2 in the numerator part, 2 in the denominator part gets cancelled. Whole power 3. 64,000 into 41, 40 plus 1 by 40, whole power 3. 64,000 into 41 by 40, whole power 3. 64,000 into 41 by 40, 41 by 40, 41 by 40. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4. 4 how many times? 4. 64 fours are 4 ones are 4. 24. 4 6 are 24. 16 times we got it. 4 ones are again 4 ones are 4 gets cancelled. So 41 into 41 into 41. How much is, students? 41 into 41 into 41. 41 into 41 into 41 is 68,921. What is this, student? 68,921 is the amount. Amount is rupees 68,921. What do you need to find out? What is given in the question? In the question they ask you to find out the compound interest. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 68,921 minus rupees 64,000. Amount is rupees 68,921 minus 64,000. So 921, 8 minus 4 is 4. So how much did you get? Compound interest is rupees 4,921 and amount is rupees 68,921. Why don't we check earlier what we have done? How much is the compound interest you got? Compound interest is 4,921, the same, and the amount you got as 68,921. So by the help of the formula. Understood, students, till here? Hope you are able to understand, students, the topic compound interest. This comes to an end of part C. Meet you with part D with more numericals. The same topic, compound interest, for class 9th. Thank you for watching our channel and please do subscribe. Good day, students.